What would you do if your cub leader turned up on Cub Pack with some paracetamol, can of gin and tonic, and some duct tape? Well, that's the reality. I asked the question, what essential items would you bring on a section camp? Whether that's squirrels, beavers, Cub Scouts, Explorer Camp, but wrong answers only. And here's what you guys suggested, in no particular order. Lots of you suggested this. Caffeine, earplugs, duct tape, paracetamol, a big bottle of sense of humor, a different campsite to sleep at, a clock that you put forward just before bedtime. And the little ones think they're going to bed, but it's giving you, a leader, an extra hour or so of downtime. Loving that one. An escape plan for when it all goes a bit too much. Love this one. A tube of Smarties, because they make awesome homesickness tablets. A bottle of Valium. A can of Red Bull. A tent to sleep outside so you don't have to stay indoors with that racket. A soundproof box that you can go into and scream. A nice, calming meditation music for when it all gets a bit too much for both you and the young people. So there we go, guys. A few essential items that you should bring on your next section camp, but the wrong answer. What have I missed? Comment below what you would take as an essential item on your next section camp, but wrong answers. We don't want any sensible answers, but keep it clean. Guys, watch this one here. More tips and tricks about being an awesome scout leader. And I'll see you next time here on Big Man in the Woods.